Hello everyone. In this video, we'll learn how to broadcast a message campaign. Let's get started. In the left hand section, first we need to find a drop down for WhatsApp API. Here we'll go to the template section. So before we can broadcast, we need to get a message body verified with the meta. Here I'll click on new template button. In the categories option, I'll find three categories. So the utility category messages are generally sent to the existing opt-in customers for their inquiries or existing updates, notifications, or news. Authentication category, we use this when we need to send an OTP for validation or login purpose. Rest all will go under the marketing category. I'll be choosing marketing. Here we can give a name to our message template. I need to select the language next. I'll be selecting English. You need to select language according to your message body. So here is a generic message. Now, in the header section, it is not mandatory, it is not compulsory. You can keep it as image as well. In the text section, it will just give a bold text, a highlighted message. In the video section, you can add any video up to 10 MB. And here is the option for document and location as well. For this example, I'll be using an image header. Now, the footer section is also uh, not mandatory, it is optional. So you can use this for branding as well. So it will just show up as a gray small text, or you can use it for opt out as well. This one is highly recommended. Right. Now, if you want this message to be more customized for your users, you can use a variable body as well. I'll show how. So you need to use two curly brackets open. I'll add first for first variable. I'll close two curly brackets. So now I can add a name here. So it will leave a blank space for a word that you can add later. So for example, thank you, Chirag, for being a part of our journey. So this message is now customized, right? I can add another variable here. For example, if I want to add a space for another product, so I'll add two. So like this, one, two, three, four, you can add n number of variables in your message body. Now again, I need to give a sample text for the variable. That's why it is showing an error. So in the second variable, the message body could be a product or a service. So I'll remember I need to add a product service in the second variable. It will show it as a preview as well. Now again, it is giving an error before we can submit. It wants me to upload a sample image. So this is not the image that will be broadcasted, but this is a sample image. So Meta will use this to make sure the dimensions are correct and you understand all the compliances. So now my template quality check is excellent and I can submit this template. So before we submit, we also have this new feature. So this restricts you from selling certain services that are considered or that are prohibited from the WhatsApp community standards. That is, for example, if I write any term like alcohol, so it will not let me submit the template because this is prohibited. So there are certain keywords where it will not let you submit the template. So this is a check that we have built so that you follow all the compliances with the WhatsApp commerce policy. Now, I'll remove everything. I'll make this body healthy again, and then I'll submit this. Now, this is submitted to Meta for approval. This will be approved within 24 hours. Generally, it takes 5 or 10 minutes. Once it is submitted, you can click on sync template button after some time to fetch the status. After it is approved, you can use this message to broadcast to multiple users.